Okay, I could have sworn I had to not add this much to my cart, but I did apparently. Video squishy haul, let's go. I was not recording. I just spilled all of this in my floor. All right. I have to start with this chicken leg because what do you mean this is a squishy? I'm gonna rank all of these out of 10 today too. Oh my gosh. I don't know what it is about this, but it feels amazing. I think it's just because of how it looks. This makes me really happy. I live in Kentucky, so Kentucky Fried Chicken is up my alley. This is perfect. 10 out of 10. This is a silky gel cube. This is the weirdest thing I've ever felt, I think. If you guys like really weird textures, if you're just a weird person, get this because I feel like this will match you. Yeah, 8 out of 10? I don't know. This drink squishy is super viral, so this is basically the reason I bought this. I thought it'd be cooler than this. It's good. It has like little ice cube things in there. It's very dense. I like it, but 7 out of 10. Not the greatest. This one is a cherry sea salt smoothie squishy. I already know I'm a big fan of this texture because the Aqua Stardust one was like literally beautiful. And this one has what appears to be salt-like beads in there. And this part is just hard. I don't think you can break it or anything. Guys, okay. Also, guys, this is not sponsored. This is a fully honest review. I'm gonna give this one literally 9.8 out of 10. This is like, this is just the best feeling type of squishies ever. Oh my gosh, I got a tomato one. I forgot about this. This is gonna be insane. I can already tell. Y'all, it is literally sticky. This feels like slime. This is not real. Oh, 100 out of 10. This is my favorite one. And there's tomatoes in it. I don't even like tomatoes. This is awesome. I love this. This one looks like Orbeez. It's gonna be very interesting. A lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Oh. Hey, it sounds like a Rubik's Cube. I could play with this one all day. It's very it's very fidgety, like a little cube you would get, more than a stress ball like this. This is pretty good. I would give it 7 out of 10. Next, I have the soap. This smells like spray paint. I'm guessing this one's crunchy. I don't know. Let's see. There's so much air in this, but why do I like it? It's very glossy. Okay, it has like little chips in it. I don't know if you guys can see. But yeah, 8 out of 10. Pretty good. There's this one. I don't remember ordering this, but let's open it. Wow. It's like Funfetti in there. It looks like Smarties in there or something. There's lots of different beads. This one's very stiff, so if you like ones you have to squeeze really hard, get this one. This one's really fun. Ooh, it's a little sharp too. This one's, I don't know how I feel about this. Let me think. 6 out of 10, maybe 5. It's not the best. Got this little baby melon-ish one as a sample or like a free thing. Really good. Just the inside. I would have never known, but this was in the floor because it fell earlier. That's another free gift. This is like a blue silky gel with something white inside. What the heck? It like mixes in. It's a lot stiffer than the Stardust one, but this is hard to squish. I don't know if I like that, but I like that you mix in the white. This one, I don't know, it's kind of making me mad. Like 6.5 out of 10. Okay, this is the last one, but I do want more of these on their website, but they're all out of stock, the ones that I want. So once they're not out of stock, I will do another video showing y'all what I get. This one smells really weird, but like almost like Kona Ice, if you guys know, like back in the school days. Oh my gosh. Ah! Why does it smell like that? Like, it does not smell like the other ones. Just a slushie. This one's one that you would just squeeze while you're like doing some work, like really thinking about something. You just need it in your hand. Yeah, I like this. Like an 8.9 out of 10. This was the best package I've had. My favorite obviously is the tomatoes. I love it so much. It feels just like the Aqua Stardust. Oh my gosh, it feels insane. It's like liquid. Love you guys so much. Have a great day. Bye.